Is your SimpliSafe base station offline? This video will guide you through troubleshooting. The base station connects via Wi-Fi and cellular backup. We'll cover common causes like Wi-Fi interference, weak signals, and how to identify which connection is failing. Knowing this is the first step to getting your system back online. As of 2026, newer SimpliSafe 9 base stations have dual-band Wi-Fi and LTE-M cellular for improved reliability. First, ensure your Wi-Fi router is working. Check if other devices can connect to verify the router is functioning properly. Then, verify your SimpliSafe base station is within range of your router and not obstructed by metal objects. Strong Wi-Fi signal is key, with 90 to 70 dBm and recommended as the minimum for reliable connection. Log into your router settings to check configuration. Ensure the base station MAC address isn't blocked in your router's MAC filter settings. If using a 5G router, interference on the 2.4 GHz band can occur. Try a different band or adjust placement. Remember, your Wi-Fi password and SSID need to be correct for the base station to connect. If Wi-Fi fails, SimpliSafe uses cellular backup. To test, temporarily disable Wi-Fi on your base station through the SimpliSafe app or by unplugging your router. Check the SimpliSafe app's system status. A green cellular icon indicates a successful connection. If no cellular signal, ensure your SimpliSafe subscription includes cellular backup and that you are in an area with good LTE coverage. SimpliSafe's cellular-first systems are becoming more popular to combat Wi-Fi instability. A simple power cycle often resolves temporary glitches. This is the first troubleshooting step SimpliSafe recommends. Unplug the SimpliSafe base station from the power outlet for 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in. This soft reset restarts the system without erasing settings. Allow a few minutes for the base station to reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular. For base stations manufactured before 2023, consider upgrading for full compatibility with newer smart home integrations. If a soft reset doesn't resolve your connectivity issues, you may need to perform a hard reset as a last resort. This will erase all your current settings, so only proceed if absolutely necessary. First, locate the reset button on your SimpliSafe base station. Consult your user manual for the exact location, as it may vary by model. Press and hold the reset button for exactly 10 seconds. You'll see a progress indicator showing the countdown. After 10 seconds, the base station will reset to its factory default state, clearing all custom configurations and settings. You'll need to reset up your entire security system through the SimpliSafe mobile app, including reconnecting all sensors and cameras. The SimpliSafe mobile app includes built-in troubleshooting tools to help resolve connectivity issues. To check for firmware updates, open the app settings. The app will notify you if an update is available, helping prevent connectivity problems caused by outdated software. Outdated firmware is a common cause of connectivity issues, including dropped connections and system instability. The app may offer guided reboot options for your base station. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete an app-based reboot. Recent firmware updates, such as version 4.5.2, address connection drops by improving reconnection algorithms and adding auto-recovery features. Keeping your firmware updated is critical for maintaining reliable connectivity and accessing the latest improvements. If problems persist after basic troubleshooting, contact SimpliSafe support. They can diagnose more complex issues remotely. Common problems include interference from other devices, especially 5G routers that can disrupt Wi-Fi signals. If you're in an apartment building, Wi-Fi congestion from neighbors might be the cause. Try changing your Wi-Fi channel in router settings. In rural areas, ensure you have adequate cellular coverage for backup connectivity. The urban apartment case study showed that upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi router can stabilize connectivity in high congestion areas. To prevent connectivity issues, place your SimpliSafe base station in a central, open location away from metal objects, microwaves, or other obstructions that can interfere with signals. Regularly check your Wi-Fi signal strength using a signal meter app. Aim for a signal strength above 9 to 70 dBm for optimal performance, and consider a mesh router if signals are weak. Keep your SimpliSafe app and base station firmware updated through regular over-the-air updates. These updates include fixes for connectivity issues and improved reliability. Consider enabling cellular backup for added reliability. This provides independent connectivity that activates automatically if Wi-Fi fails, ensuring continuous monitoring even during power outages. Looking ahead, future trends include AI-driven diagnostics that can predict and prevent connection issues by analyzing usage patterns. By 2030, 70% of base stations are expected to self-diagnose problems, significantly reducing the need for manual troubleshooting.